Imagine all your favorite TV channels seamlessly integrated into your Plex library. Well, the integration of IPTV with Plex can make that dream a reality. Plex doesn't support IPTV directly, but there's a simple workaround. One option is using a Plex plugin to access IPTV streams. Set up your Plex media server and easily add IPTV M3U playlists. Using IPTV in Plex saves you switching apps and keeps viewing smooth. You can organize and watch live channels with a single Plex setup. Need a reliable IPTV service provider to get started quickly? We recommend checking out 2tv.store for quality IPTV streaming solutions. They offer a variety of channels that can perfectly match your interests. Once you have IPTV, update your Plex settings and enjoy tailored content. Customizing your media experience is easy and worth the basic setup time. Now every movie, live sports, and show is at your fingertips with Plex. Save time, avoid confusion, and make Plex your ultimate content hub. It's time to optimize your viewing habits. Start today with Plex and IPTV. Explore possibilities, streamline your setup, and elevate your streaming with Plex.